So in this video I'm going to explain about generations of computers. So that is 5 generations of computers. So let's get started. So we already know that computer is a programmable machine, okay, which used to do programs, means takes input and which stores data, manipulates data, and also provides output in a useful format, okay. And coming to generations of computers, we have 5 generations of computers. So first generation starts from 1946 to 1959. So this first generation computers are prepared by hundreds of vacuum tubes. Remember, whenever it is asked about first generation computers, remember about vacuum tubes. And with this first generation computer, the size of computer occupies very large space, means it is very large in size, first generation computers. And the maintenance of these computers consumes huge amount of electricity. Okay, it consumes very large amount of electricity. First generation computers prepared by vacuum tubes and consumes large space and large amount of electricity. And the maintenance of these computers, okay, consumes huge amount of electricity done. And no human being can work or perform when this computer is performing, because these computers will work on a machinery codes, okay. Codes will be there for working these computers, so which is called machinery coding or binary coding we call. And for this first generation computers, larger AC were needed, and these first generation computers can perform arithmetic and logical calculations. Moving to next generation, second generation computers. The years are 1959 to 1965. So this second generation computers works better than first generation computers. These second generation computers are prepared by using transistors. So their first generation computers, vacuum tubes. Here second generation computers, transistors were used. And programming was done in machine language and assembly language. So programming done in machine language and assembly language, because anyone who learns assembly language can use this computer easily, okay. Assembly language can use this computer easily. Core memory was developed in the computer. For storing of data, magnetic tapes, disks are used. For second generation computers, for storage of data, magnetic tapes and disks were used, okay. And in this second generation, computers became smaller in size than the second generation. And the second advantage is this generation computers consumes less heat and less electricity, okay. So which is opposite to first generation, because in first generation it consumes high electricity, but here it consumes less heat and less electricity. Coming to third generation computers, started in 1965 and which was ended in 1971 year. These third generation computers are prepared by using integrated circuits, IC chips. By using these IC chips, the size of the computer reduces, and at the same time it consumes less electricity and works with high accuracy. Here in third generation computer also, which is similar to second generation computers in terms of electricity, less, because it consumes less electricity. And these third generation computers are prepared by using high level languages such as Pascal, COBOL, etc. The reason for consuming less electricity is because it is prepared of using integrated circuits. SSI, server side includes, and MSI, Microsoft Installer technology, is used in third generation computers. Moving to fourth generation computers, year 1971 to 1980, these computers are prepared by using microchips and integrated circuits. Because of using microchips, computer size reduced to small, and it is also called microprocessor computer. So this generation computer supports multimedia graphical works, okay. Fourth generation computer supports multimedia graphical works. And also this generation computer started in use for data communication. So this generation, fourth generation computers only, which is started that is data communication and network processing. And portable computers stores very large amount of data and contains various types of memories with high accessibility. So this computer supports for the multimedia and graphical works, and one can easily purchase this generation computers because of low prices. Means not heavy prices are there, very low prices. Coming to last, fifth generation computers. Since 1980s till present, we are using this fifth generation computers. So these computers uses superconductors, and these are prepared by using huge amount of storage system, processing system, and arrangement of processor chips. Okay, means arrangement of storage system, processing system, and processor chips. Fifth generation computers are prepared by using these three. These computers solves thousands of problems in fraction of seconds. And these computers are also used in intelligent robots and artificial intelligence. And the difference between the first four generations computers and fifth generation computer is that all these computers can be performed by giving instructions, but this fifth generation computer is quite different from those. So these are about generations of computers. So, thank you.